It'll take a gallon of blood. It's the size of a small child. It'll crack your windshield. Behold the mammoth.
It's a big mosquito.
Evil in all its form.
It's a big motherfucker.
You're a big motherfucker. I didn't know they came in that size. Sound like a jet plane going past your ear. It goes.
Yeah.
I don't see how you couldn't feel that thing whenever it lands on you. Be like a kid sitting on your shoulders.
Dude, yeah, that has to be, like, contaminating. Like, I mean, just like to carry.
What is it? I wonder how much it feeds in a night.
Like, how many pints of blood?
Yeah, how many pints
How many
of blood does that big fucker drink a night? We've caught Dracula. That's what we've done. We've caught Dracula and contained him in a little plastic jar. And the sun's going to hit him and he's going to turn into ash. Poof. What the fuck? You crazy. You're crazy. That thing's crazy.
Yeah, it's pretty fucking big.
Yeah, it is.
It looks like a small bird.
Yeah, it's a small bird. It's a small blood-sucking bird.
Holy shit.
It's a vampire with one tooth. It's a one-toothed vampire.
It's a hillbilly vampire.
It's a hillbilly vampire.
It's a hillbilly vampire.
Hillbilly vampire.
Over and out.